Guys, so I am back. You can see that so I'm finished with the wig and I really like how it came out.
Hey, Kelly.
Hey guys, Kelly here. So I'm in my bathroom. I'm going to dye this wig. Hey guys, so I will also have detailed instructions in the description bar in case you missed something, but I bought this hair dye from my local beauty supply store. It is by the company Adore in the color Emerald, which is a turquoise color. So next you're going to clear off your counter, get out your mixing bowl, your perm brush, and a pair of gloves so you don't stain your hands. I am taking the color and then I'm going to add the conditioner. So you're going to do about 1 part conditioner, 1 part color. Mix it up very well so it's one even consistency. So your mixture is going to be kind of runny, so please be careful to not make a mess. That's why I put the towel down. But you're just going to take that brush, dip it in your dye, and apply it to the hair. And just do that all over the wig. Okay guys, so I had to take the foam head off of the clamp. It just was not sturdy. It just kept wobbling everywhere, so that's why you see the head just laying down. But again, I'm just pretty much saturating the wig with the dye all over with the brush, and that's about it. I mean, you just go over the entire unit. Okay, so I have gone over the entire unit with the hair dye. After you do that, go ahead and comb through it with a wide tooth comb just so you don't miss any parts. And again, just make sure that the whole wig has been saturated, and you're going to let it sit for about 25 minutes. Hey guys, so I am back. You can see that so I'm finished with the wig and I really like how it came out. Like I did not make a big of mess as I thought I would, which was amazing because I really was scared about making a mess. So this is what you do. First off, this wig, I am not a fan of this wig. I got it from a company called Wicca Fashion on AliExpress, and it was an inexpensive wig. It was, I think I paid about $113 for it. It was 12 inches. It just was so thin. That was the thing. And maybe that's my fault because I ordered 130 density. From now on, I know I need to order 180 density or better. Okay, so this is it. It's a lace front wig. I purposely got a shorter length. I got 12 inches because I felt like for my first brightly colored wig, I wanted to have like a respectable length. Like I didn't want to have like this long turquoise hair and it be a fail, you know. Side note, why is stuff getting so expensive at the friggin' beauty supply store? I'm about to start ordering everything online because I went in the store. The bleach was $10, which I ordered some bleach from Amazon, which was the same price. I'd rather just give my coins to Amazon, you know, because at least with Amazon, sometimes I get the Ebates, and with eBay, I get Ebates and all of that. So I was at the Dollar General. You guys know I love the Dollar General. They have got to be glued at the Dollar General now. And I really am convinced people are really hip to this got to be glued, and I think they're using it for wigs. I don't think these are people really spiking their hair with this. And they have a Dollar General brand. So the got to be glued at the CVS is like a good $6 or some change. At the Dollar General, it's $4. I think it's $4.50 because this was $3.50, so I saved a whole $1. But I will see you guys later. I'm just super happy that this wig, y'all don't know, like when I showed you, well, you kind of could see it was a mess. Like it was a mess, and I want to kind of cut it into a bob, but I'm just like, leave it alone for right now. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.